Guys, I'm sitting in my camper right now. It's parked at the side of my house, but a few weeks back we were camping and the door handle broke on the screen door. So it turned out to be there was a spring inside that broke and the door handle was just kind of flopping down and it wouldn't catch properly. Um, I ended up getting a new one already, but I haven't replaced it yet, which is a very simple process. It's just a couple of screws. But I'll show you the kit. This is Turn this around. This is the kit that I got. And of course it comes with the new handle, the new striker plate, and this is the catch that goes on the main door that catches the handle when you connect the door, the spring. It's the screen door to the main door. But inside the other one, I broke it open, and this is the spring that's inside of it that broke. And there should be a little tab that comes up right off of here, and so that little tab broke off of there. And strangely enough, I'm a spring maker. I've been doing it for 30 something years. So that being said, I kind of did a bush fix. Yeah, so anyway, let's go take a look at the door handle now, and I'll show you the little quick repair I made when we were camping. So what does a spring maker do when the spring breaks on the door handle? It uses a rubber band. Yep. Found the rubber band in the junk drawer in there or whatever, everybody's got that. And the screw, I just took these two screws out, and that's how the whole thing is mounted. It comes off pretty simply. Wrap the rubber band around the screw on the inside, attach it back here, and it works. How about that? So even though I bought this new handle, I think I'm just going to use the rubber band until it breaks, and then I'll replace it.